Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Face ID and passcode missing in settings. Some users have noticed that the Face ID and passcode option is missing in settings on their iPhone or iPad. This prevents users from changing their Face ID and passcode settings. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem of Face ID and passcode missing in settings. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The Face ID and passcode option is supposed to appear under the Siri and search options and before the emergency SOS options. When tapped, these settings offers a lot of customization options for how you can unlock your iPhone or iPad, authenticate purchases, sign into apps and more. If Face ID and passcode has disappeared, the only possible reason is that you have restrictions enabled. So I am going to tell you how can you check. For this, open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on it. Now scroll down and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down to find allow changes section and then tap on passcode changes. It might ask you to enter your screen time passcode. If you forgot your screen time passcode, you can reset it by going to settings and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the option of change screen time passcode. Tap on it and then tap off turn off screen time passcode. Here you can tap on forgot password and then following the on-screen instructions. Again go to content and privacy restrictions and then go to passcode changes. So enter your screen time passcode. Ensure that this is set to allow. Now go back to settings. You will see the previously missing Face ID or Touch ID setting has appeared and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Face ID and passcode missing in settings. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks.